blocked off half Estero Drive. Boy, I feel bad for anyone trying to get home Estero Drive from July 3rd. I wouldn't go to work trying to go this way today. These have all plows on them, notice that? I think they're for advantageous reasons. Why? I don't know. They can block a lot, I tell you that. Why else would they have plows on them, right? They're using them for something, for some sort of security. I wish I had a camera I can just film. There's so much to see, but I don't. It's just killing my memory on this phone. He's got that half of Estero Drive blocked off right over here. All these cars waiting to go. See how backed up that is? That goes all the way from the bridge. Ugh. I've sat in it. Stay away from driving in the city if you can today, folks. Just stay the fuck away.